What if I told you, you don't need to create brand new videos every day to grow your channel? In 2025, you can take one idea and turn it into 10 pieces of content, all thanks to AI. Stick around, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Most creators struggle with consistency. You make one video, but then you're stuck. No time for shorts, no posts for social media, and your channel growth stalls. The solution is simple: AI content repurposing. Instead of starting from scratch, AI transforms one script into multiple formats. That means more reach, more growth, and less work. Step 1. Start with ChatGPT. Ask it to write a script for your YouTube video. Now you've got your core content ready. Step 2. Paste that script into InVideo AI. In minutes, you'll have a full faceless video, stock clips, subtitles, and a voiceover, ready to upload. Try it with the link in my description. Step 3. Break your video into highlights. Tools like Opus Clips, or even InVideo AI, can auto-generate shorts for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Step 4. Take your script and ask ChatGPT to expand it into a blog post. Perfect for SEO, websites, or even LinkedIn. Step 5. Summarize your script into tweets, Instagram captions, or LinkedIn posts. Now your one idea works across every platform, and that's how you turn one idea into 10 pieces of content in minutes with AI. Stop reinventing the wheel. Start scaling smarter. To get started, try InVideo AI using the link in my description. And remember, when you sign up through my link, you'll also get my free AI Creator Starter Kit.